Alright guys, we got a 2013 RAV4 4-wheel drive XLE. Okay, we're gonna change the serpentine belt. Customer went and got it himself. And there's a part number. He bought the original belt from Toyota. Okay, we're looking at it all wrong. Okay, the parts are all hidden, but these letter numbers are the same. 90916-Apple 2021 serpentine belt. Okay, got the original one from Toyota. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this baby. So I did make a small little diagram which I'm gonna show you guys, but we're gonna start off on the passenger side front. We're gonna remove this little clip. So you can use a flathead screwdriver or a tool such as this. This is a clip removing tool here. Once you pop these clips, this thing's gonna start to move. But we got two more down here. So we have clearance to look what's behind it. Okay, oh, we don't want to lose those clips, very important. Once you took those four off, your cover here is gonna completely come off. And check this out. Very so, he got a new water pump. Oh my God. So, what we're gonna do is you're gonna set up our camera right down here somewhere. And first, make sure you draw the diagram. And we're gonna put a 14mm tool on this, and you can do it from the top or bottom. It's all up to you. So let's get this baby going. Let me match up some tools so we can all see together. Okay, so we're gonna remove the belt. One that got me a small little ratchet, perfect tool for this baby. This is a 1/4" drive with a 14mm short socket. Watch this. If you need to do this and you're stuck on the road, you put this baby on. I might have to move my light a little bit from here. And you see that? And plus this ratchet here, the head is twistable. So I'm able to go in any angle I like. And what we're gonna do here is, it came off. So I'm gonna have to go back on it. And that's it, that's the farthest it's gonna go. And we should be able to move this belt off one of these pulleys. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna completely take off this belt, even off the alternator, which is up there. So I did do a diagram, so make sure you keep a diagram handy. See that? I drew the diagram just like that. So we're gonna take our new belt, and I'm gonna have to fish the alternator a bit. So the belt is gonna go on the alternator first. Right from here, I'm gonna do it all from right here. We'll put it around this crank as well, so the belt is not just hanging all over. And it goes onto the compressor. So the alternator is all the way up there. I can't reach, but you just toss the belt up above it. Make sure you got it correct onto the pulley, and then it comes down this water pump. And what we're gonna do here is, we got enough space here. We'll take off this belt. Okay, so the belt came off the water pump. No alternator. There you go. Once you have it nice and stiff, what you want to do is you want to take it off something, maybe a water pump, and get it onto the AC compressor. Okay, there you go. So if your belt is not smooth everywhere, you're not going to be able to catch it. like this guy right here. And there you go. I think it came off the alternator. Yep, came off the alternator. Try again. Okay, so on the alternator, and water pump is my last option. AC compressor is off a bit, and here comes our next attempt. Just make sure you don't hurt yourself. Okay, and there it is. Everything's on. Oh, it's not on. It's not on yet. Okay, compressor, alternator is off, pump is off. So what I'll do is I'll try to get it on to the AC compressor. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have somebody do this, and I'll put the belt on the top on the alternator.
Hello, Mr. Second.
Yeah, Mike, I'm stuck here. I can't talk.
What's going on? Everything good?
1 second, Mike.
We're just passing, so just complete.
All right, so we're all done, and thank you. Okay, so I had a friend help me here. Belt is on. Let's take off our ratchet. So really, you only need one tool. So the perfect way to do it is from the top, have somebody put it on the alternator and have everything routed. But make sure you check the belt is good on all the pulleys. So we got it on the crank here, we got it on the tensioner, we got it on the alternator, we got it on the water pump, and the AC compressor. Looks good. We're all done. And the last thing is you want to put the cover back on.